Imagine getting a Pixel phone, Google's facts, vouchers, and becoming the official tech face of your campus. Sounds unreal, right? Well, this is exactly what the Google Student Ambassador Program offers. From sling bags to hoodies, t shirts, bags, bottles, from Pixel Buds to even Pixel Phone 10A. This program is packed with rewards and real opportunities. So, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, I'm going to share you an amazing opportunity that is Google Student Ambassador Program 2026 by Google, and it is designed to turn all your students into real leaders, not just learner, but people who will be bringing AI to their campus, building communities, organizing events, and representing Google and their opportunities. So, what is it? How we have to participate? How to apply for this journey? We'll cover everything in detail, and what are the goodies we are getting? We'll cover that also. So first of all, you need to be a college student. Okay, college or school student, you can apply for it. Mostly it is for college student. We'll just see the application process and I will tell you all the things. You'll be getting a chance to interact with Sundar Pichai also and a chance to visit the Google office too. That too free of cost. Now here, if you are a AI enthusiast, curious about how things work in Google and about how the new AI is evolving, if you are a creative thinker, communicator, and impact maker, you don't just participate, you learn things, then this opportunity is perfectly for you. Okay, you will be bringing new opportunities to your campus. So what are the rewards? Let me just show you. So they have divided all tier categories. Okay, like silver, architect, gold, bronze, silver, sapphire, titanium, platinum, diamond, celestial. Okay, so all these things you'll be getting points. You have to do some of the task over here. You'll be getting the cash vouchers, imagine vouchers and e-vouchers over here like Amazon gift card, and some Pixel phones are also given to the top people. So if you perform well, you'll be given certificates too. So here you can see these are the goodies which you'll be earning over here, that to completely free of cost. And here, first of all thing, how we can apply, who can apply for this opportunity. So yes, you can see over here that if you are a Indian citizen, this is open for only the Indian citizen. If you are aged around 18 to 25 as of April 1, 2026, then you can apply for it. You are, apart from this, here you need to understand, you are not a part of the Google India Ambassador. This is another program. If you're not part of it, then you can just apply for it. You must be an active student in any of the Indian university. Okay, so it's only for college student, not for school student. So only college student can apply. If you are curious about AI, passionate about technologies, then you can apply for it. And willing to dedicate time, because here you have to host some session. What kind of sessions? You have to host about the products of the Google like Gemini. You have to use Canvas. You have to use the anti-gravity to show how we can build projects. You must have seen. If you face any of the issue, you can reach out to me. I will try to help you how you can host the sessions too. So all the things you have to do. How to register? You have to simply click on register now button over here. So let me just show you the complete process. So first of all, you need to understand that this is a 12-month commitment with direct access to Google Teams. Means you'll be interacting with the program managers directly. You'll be getting all the updates, all the swags, all the events, which are not publicly available. Okay, you'll be getting the access first of all. And you have to work for a 12-month commitment. So do not worry. If you have college, you'll be getting plenty of time to work on their opportunities also. And you have to just fill this particular form. Here you have to enter your full name. After that, you have to enter your Gmail, Google ID. Okay, Google ID, sorry. You have to enter your Google Mail ID. After that, you have to enter the referral ambassador GID. GID is unique Google Indian Ambassador. Okay, so I think this is only Gemini student ambassador ID, you can see. So you have to enter it. Then you have to enter your mobile number, WhatsApp enabled, your current year of study, your college or university full name. You can just add college/university also, and then website URL. Like for example, you are having DU URL or Rajasthan University URL, you have to mention the college website URL. After that, you have to mention your branch, and here Instagram handle, LinkedIn profile if you want you can add, because it is completely optional. Now here, a lot of you are facing rejection for the ambassador program, but somehow I want to uh, so a lot of you are getting rejected for the ambassador program. So here, as per the internal update, one of my subscribers shared her GID ID. Okay. So here, uh, so you don't face any kind of rejection. So one of my subscriber has shared her GID, that is you can just add the ambassador referral ID over here. So what is this ID? Let me just show you. So you can see this is 12806. You have to simply paste it, or you can type it also, I think. Yes, 12806, it is the ID. Okay, so you have to just enter it and enter all the details, because if you enter the referrer ID, chances of selection will increase. Also, you'll be getting more opportunities over here. So a lot of people are applying, and some of the people are getting selected also. So congratulations to all of them. Just you have to enter all your details over here and just click on next. After that, let me just show you what are the things we have to do. So we have entered all the details. I think we have entered more than 10 numbers. So you have to enter the college year and mention the university full name. And let me just select a random university over here. I'm not doing the promotion for that particular university. After that, let me just select the branch and then click on next. Okay, so it's asking us to verify the email address. So when you enter the email address, you have to verify it, so that they want to reduce the spam section. So let me just verify it. What you have to do, you have to enter the correct email, then click on verify. After that, you have to enter the OTP. So mostly here you have to enter the verification code. So you have to check your mail and just copy this verification code and simply here it is. Just paste it and it is verified. Now we have to just click on next. Now here you have to just read all the things. How will be handling it? So here Google is hosting a virtual session next Thursday. Your job is to get 30 students. Only 4 have signed up. So here you have to select some of the questions over here, right? You can see all these questions are there. So let's select one of them. So what you'll do over here, you can select as per your understanding. Okay, do not just copy paste over here. And I'm just showing you the next. And then we'll just check it. Okay, do not copy the response. Read the questions. You have to read all the questions and then you have to try to answer it based on your understanding. Okay, so then let me just move to the next point directly and let's see what is there. So after next, okay. So we have to just, in this question, we have to just rank it from first to last. Then click on next. Okay, in section C, that is 3, you have to select what are the real Google Gemini features. So just select all the things. I think all are there. Okay. So friend ask, I use college, which is not accurate. So you have to answer these all questions. I'm just selecting the random answer. Okay, I'm just selecting the random answers and then, okay, describe one spot in your campus where students regularly wait for queue for 5 minutes. What they are waiting for it. So they have mentioned this thing that they are waiting outside the Bikaner Sweets counter between 12:30 to 1 p.m. Okay. So like this, you have to mention where they do nothing. Okay. And after that, you have to mention name a common area in your campus where you could host a personal informal event without needing the official booking or administrator permission. Like, is there any auditorium? Is there any section? Is there any ground? So you can just mention it. Okay. Where permission is not required. What's the fastest way to reach 500 plus students in your campus? Okay. So you can mention that I have a community, I have a college group where more than 1500 people are there. So you have to just mention. Or if you have a YouTube channel, you can mention the YouTube channel also, or communities. Okay. All these things. Name one of the event or fest which is next 3 months. So you can mention that we are organizing Build with AI challenge. I'm just showing you a sample demo. You have to just write it all yourself. Okay. So what's one inside joke slang tradition? Won't understand. What's inside joke slang tradition unique to your campus? Just mention any of these. Here you have to write professionally. Okay. Then just click on it. Mention it. Next, enter the state and city. And after that, yeah, you have agreed and just click on submit. Okay. Then you'll be getting an email where they'll ask if you're shortlisted. You have to just enter that email. What you have to enter, they'll ask you to record a video regarding your campus, regarding yourself, and just share the video within 72 hours, and you'll be getting all the updates. So this was the quick thing I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.